In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jupyter Notebook for machine learning. We'll make sure NumPy is installed, open Jupyter, create a new notebook with the correct kernel, write a short example, and run it to confirm everything is set up. Start by opening the command prompt on Windows. Use the search bar, type CMD, and open it. This window lets you manage Python packages on your machine. Type pip, install NumPy, and press enter. Pip will download and install NumPy, the fundamental library for numerical arrays that so many machine learning libraries depend on. If it's already installed, pip will say the requirement is satisfied, which is perfect too. When that finishes, head over to Jupyter Notebook. Launch it so it opens in your browser. The home page is a file browser with a menu bar at the top. From there, click File. Hover over New, then choose Notebook to create a fresh workspace. You can always rename the notebook later from its title, but for now, let's focus on getting the environment right. You'll be prompted to choose a kernel. A kernel is the Python runtime behind the notebook. Pick the Python environment where NumPy was installed so your code can import it without errors, then confirm your selection. Different environments can have different packages, so this choice matters. In the first empty cell, type the example exactly as follows. Import NumPy as NP. Then on the next line, numbers equals NP. Array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And on the next line, print numbers. This imports NumPy with a short alias, creates a one-dimensional array, and prints it so you can verify everything works. To execute the code, click the Run icon at the top of the notebook. The output appears directly beneath the cell, showing the array values in brackets. Seeing this output confirms Jupyter is using the selected kernel and NumPy is available. With this workflow in place, you're ready to expand into data loading, pre-processing, and modeling using the same notebook approach.